So I have came to the Visual C Sharp. It was not loading because of heavy loadage because सब बोलना एक ज़रा सा नहीं okay. So now I am at the screen of designing part. Now first I select the panel. You can see this is the panel. I will select. Let me design first all those things. It does not. If you know the designing part, you can skip. But for everybody don't know this designing part, I will create 1 2 3. Just a minute, let me see. 1 2 3 4. They have created 4. We will also create 4, but I explain only few of them and I will skip those coloring. Okay, what I am dragging and dropping, this is called as panel. Just drag and drop all those things. One, two, three, four. Yes, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Yes, done. Here button. Okay, now see here, I follow the 1 2 3 because here the name of the text box is very much important. So do not forget the text box name. So what is this text box name? Before that, we will change this background. You just right click and go for the properties, and you can see all the information we got. I will just go for the now I just go for the background color and I click on it and I select black color, and I will select the label and I will drag and drop it, and I will change the label color, text color. So we want to change just a minute, it's not looking right. Or else you can okay. So I have now 1 2 3 4. So I have just drag and drop all the panels which we needed, 4 panels. Now each one you select and go for the property and you give your own coloring background. Go select for the background image and I give this color, and next I select label. At the left panel you go for the search for the label, just drag and drop, then just right click on it, go for the property, come down, go for the name. Yes, name, just remove it and write what you want to write. Just I will write welcome. Okay, by mistake I have written for the label, so I want to select the label 1. It is correct. Okay, so here don't do this mistake. Okay, this one, select for the label, drag and drop. After drag and dropping the label, complete correct. Okay, label. Okay, now I am dragging and dropping the label, and I will click on this label and right click and property, and I will go for the text property of it. I am written the welcome. You can write anything, it is your convenient. Now you can also change this background also of this panel. I will not change all the color panel, just for showing purpose I am changing. So I have selected this color. Now in the first box they have as name, designation, address. So I will take 3 labels, 1, 2 and 3, and I will adjust and minimize this one. Okay, yes, done. I will dog this. Okay, now we got this. I have put the label 2, 3, 4. The label 1 is this welcome, label 2 is 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I will select text box. T text box, go for the T, search for the T, and see here this is text box. I will drag and drop. This is our first text box. This is very important of remembering. This is our first text box. So this is 1, 2, 3. Understood? This is 1, 2, 3. Let me show how I am saying. Go for the property, go very up, go up and comes little bit down, and see here name. You can see here text box 1 is the name of this text box. So I am saying this is text box 1, text box 2, text box 3. So you should understand, you should know what is this name. Name is a type of variable. You are using this variable, you can use this variable anywhere. If you change this text box 1 into if you change this text box 1 into if you change this text box 1 into box 1, you can write, but in the coding part you want to change same as it is as a box 1. So this is the this will be the problem in when you are doing the coding. So let it be let it be default. Okay, now we will let me go over the PDF. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this panel we have 6. So we will drag and drop the 6 labels. Where are the labels? Label 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. So now I have in this panel I have put it this 6 labels. Totally we have 10 labels. Okay, now this now understand this is text 1, text 2, text 3, text box 3. Now I am putting text box 4. Where is this text box? Yeah. Now I'm drag and dropping this text box 1, 2, 3, 4, text box 4, text box 5, text box 6, text box 7, text box 8, text box 9. This is the what I have given this what are all this are. These are only for the input purpose. This all is for the input purpose. Now we will put here some text box. This is for output purpose. Okay, we put 3. No, let me check for the question. Yeah, they have given 4. We also put 4. We'll drag and drop 4 labels. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and another label is here, right? Yeah, we will select the text box. Now how much, can you just guess which is the text box? This one? Yes, you are right, this is the 10th text box. Let me show in the properties. You can see here text box 10. This is our text box 10 property. Okay, now I drag and drop 10th, 11th, next 12th, and it is 14th, 13th. Yes, now I will make this a little bit longer. Now see here, as you okay, by mistake if you have double tapped anything, you just go back. Okay, by mistake if you got, it's okay. This too much of, okay, don't worry, don't see the code, just come here. Now everybody know how to change the label. You go for the properties and you change the text property of it, and you will give the name. Okay, your name, what you want to give, you will give, right? So now I will give my own names. If I give the name, it takes a long video. For designation I am giving D, and for address ADD. Actually this is the important. You come this for label, just right click property, and you just write month, working of month. You can write anything, but okay, you can write your own things in this here. So now I am writing my own. What I will write days, working days. Okay, how as it is I will write, but in short forms. Total. Okay, I will does not write anything, just I will write months. Okay, months. Next Saturday, months. It is only for the purpose of making your receipt. You can take any values, any statement like that. Total Sundays, sun, Monday, month. So I'm giving this random. For the your convenient, you can change your labels according to this program. You just follow this, but now just for the explanation purpose, I am making your concepts clear. Everything you will do, and this part, this 1 2, this, what are the 9 labels are you seeing? These are the labels where you give the inputs, only the inputs, and these 4 are the labels you will receive the output. So for that functionality, we will drag and drop the button. We will drag and drop the button, and you will double tap on it. You will double tap on it, and you write the code. What you will write the code? This is our C#, right? So for C#, there are some keywords. You will write dim. If I go for the program, you can see they have written dim net pay as a double, dim gross as a double, dim week hours, Saturday hours, and Sunday hours. You can select any one. but according to my program, okay, this is the easiest one. You just, okay, after drag and dropping of the button, you double tap on it. Before double tap, come here and see here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 input labels, but we will not use not all the 9 labels. We will just take any 5 to 6 labels for the input purpose. Now see here, I have written this here month, Saturday month, Sunday month, and I can rename this also. I will write net salary. I will write what I will write net salary. Net salary. I have write net underscore s. It's okay, it is understandable. And for this after net salary, I will write deduction. Deduction. I have written DUC, and for 10th month you write anything. Bonus. Okay, BO. I have written BO. You can write your own labels in your exams. For the explanation, you want to just you should understand what I'm doing. That's all. So this is on this part you can do. I know you can do this, but the main parts will come when you double tap on button. When you click on button, you want to write here few of the commands you have seen in this PDF. This PDF is saying this PDF is very difficultly understandable. They have make this program very lengthy. It's okay. We will do it is very much easier to understandable, right? Understanding. So I will write dim space. We have come for the designing part. First here I have month, Saturday month, Sunday month, and net salary, deduction and bonus. For this I will create the I will create the variables. So first what I have created, first I have created month. For month I have written only M. For next Saturday month, right? SAT underscore M, comma. Next Sunday month, Sunday underscore M, month. Next I have written net pay, right? Net pay, for net pay I have net pay. And for next one, what I have done next one, let me check out. Okay, I have written reduction. I will write DUC. Okay, I will write deduction amount. Next, what is the last one? The last one is bonus. Last one is bonus. I will write BO as it is BO. Okay, now you want to write integer. They have given double. It's okay. Sorry, you want to write as, then you want to write integer. Sorry, index. Okay, you will write integer and just hit enter. In this VB.NET, everybody know that we will not use semicolon, brackets, and that's all. We will not use those things, right? Okay, it's okay. Now, as you know that we have created the variables, you will write now m is equal to. Now see here, m is equal to. We will go for the designing part. Now you can see here month. I am writing for the month M. M is equal to this text box. What the user give the input for this text box, this should be stored and calculated. So for that purpose, see here, according to me, I have already said 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our fourth text box. If you don't know which text box it is, you will right click, you go for the property, you come a little bit down, and you will get name. When you search for design and you get the name, this name is textbox 4. This name is textbox 4. This name is textbox 4. For this we will do the coding. Now I will write text box which one? 1 2 3 4, fourth one. I will select text box 4 dot text. Yes, that's all. Now for the month of the monthly was Saturday month, SAT underscore month equal to text box 5. You will search for the 5, you just click on it, go for dot text. That's all. Now Sunday months is equal to text box 6th month. Make your code easy, that's all. And next one is net pay. For net pay 7th month, dot text. I forgot here to put dot text. Okay, I have it now. Now enter deduction. DUC is equal to text. Eighth one we want to search. Yes, 8 dot text. Now our last one is bonus is equal to text box 9, right? Yes, text box 9 dot text. That's all. We have initialize value, means we have created the variables of this, and we have assigned the value which is coming from the user input, and it will be stored in this variable. Now we want to display this variable. Before displaying, we will make this calculation of this variables. So you just create another dim, go here, enter, write dim sum. You can write sum or anything, but now I will write total. They have written total gross, I think so. So I will write total G comma tax comma HR. You can write anything, but now I'm writing something. The profit LOSS loss, anything. This should be related to employee. This should be related to employee. So now I will write total G is equal to M plus SET M to plus Sunday month plus net pay plus bonus. In tax, I can write deduction DUC. Sorry, first we want to write the net salary. In that salary the deduction will be happen, right? So DUC. Okay. Now we have completed 2 things. Now still 2 remaining. Okay, profit. After profit, just create equal and you write total gross salary into 9 simply. Okay, loss is equal to total okay. Now total G into 3 for the loss purpose. So now we have just normally we have written easily. Now we have done the part of inputting but not outputting, but the data is storing in the backend. So for the displaying that, we want to just display at here this. For this place you can remember which this text box is. Let me count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this one is 10th one. I will right click on it and I will click on property. You can see here, yeah, text box 10. Now we want to just display these things, so we will write text box text box. So which one? It was 10th one text box, right? 10th or 11th? Yes, 10th. So let me show once again. This is our 9 text box. This is our 10th text box. How much? 10th. See, 10th one. So now double click on it. Now you will write text box 10 is equal to dot text is equal to convert Okay, I'm stopping this. Why? Okay, another. कोई बात नहीं. M, we'll write M just for the how much the total salary something, we'll write total, or else total 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 G text box 11th. For the 11th I have given 11th. Okay, we can write anything which is common in bus. I will write just profit. Profit is equal to profit text 11. Let's take for 12. Let's put the taxi dot taxi is equal to text box 12 next equal to loss tax T text box text box 13th dot loss. Now when you run this program, now let me run it now itself. It is very good. If you get anything error, it's okay. You just click on double tap and find the error. So see here the profit spelling. I think I have written here. I want to write only text here. That was the error. So save it once again and I will run it. So our project is running. Let's wait it. Okay, now you can see our output has came. Now I will write something here. The next one I will write description, right? I will write computer. For next I will write something number. Now month you should write in textual info, means text only. You want to write in integer itself. So I will write 78, and for this I will write 1999, and for this one I will write 52, and net salary will be 50,000, reduction amount 4,000, bonus 9,000, and this much itself. When I submit, you can see the magic here. The output will be magically come. Dun-dun-dun. This is the magic of this VB.net. That's all. You can manipulate all those things and you can create your own application for the examination purpose. Don't be tension. You want to do this, that's all. You just understand. You need to just understand this text box 10.text is what you can see here, text box 10 is the, let me count here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 10th box is this one. So when you right click on it, you can see, you can come down and you can see that name. If you change this property, if I will change this property, I will write txt10. If I change this, I will get many errors. So if you change this one also, you go for the property, means you go for your code and you will change this. See, this automatically taken. Sometimes it doesn't take, because of I am using advanced version, it automatically has changed this one. So for I think in your laptops it doesn't work. So before you are changing, just check out this is working or not. That's all guys in this video. I hope you understand. If you not understand, you just need to see how the technique I'm using. You not need to write as it is in this, how it is in this an exam. In exam you can write your own. Nobody will say anything. Nobody will ask this percentage and everything. You want to write how this is working. You want to know how this work. You not need to by head this much. You need to know what you do something and what will be become. This is most important. Okay, so you just learn one line of this one, because if in case if they ask convert into double, you can ask. They will not ask, it's okay. It is better to be reading, or else you can write your own. Nobody will say anything in your live exams. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye bye.